Welcome to JRMSweeps. Today we're going to do a product review and install on a set of lights for a JK or JKU provided by Sono light on Amazon. I will put a product link in the video description if you guys are interested in picking these up. So let's get started. What you want to do is remove the grill. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to see 6 retaining clips. You're going to pop these out with a flathead and then the grill will pop right out. Remove the grill, you're going to need to unplug this guy here and then the other one on the other side. With the retaining ring removed, we're simply ready to just pull the light out and unplug it. So this is the way the wiring diagram is going to look. It's very easy. It's plug and play, which is the main reason why I absolutely love these lights. You don't have to do any cutting at all for the install. This is your Y connection piece that's going to go to your blinker running light up front and then to the main bulb itself. That way you'll have access to that blinker feature on the new lamps, and then you simply just take the extender piece that'll convert it over to the 3-prong and you plug your 3-prong in. We're ready to install the light. Got the lights all hooked up. See, they're turned on. They have a really nice glow around the halo, super bright. And the one thing I do like about these again is that they're completely plug and play. You do not have to cut any wires. Another cool feature is the blinking light here that's integrated into the halo itself. That's really nice. This is with the low beams on. And wow, you can just see how much brighter they are with the high beams. All right, so we're sitting inside the Jeep here, so let's turn the lights on and kind of get that perspective here. Parking lights with the halos. Low beams. High beams. Again, these headlights were provided by Sono light on Amazon. Go get you a pair. Thanks for watching.